into Cooking with Margie. I'm Eric Stafford. This is Margie Mansure, and we are here today with another great recipe. And I see celery.
We see herbs as well.
Oh, well, I smell the herbs, but I see the celery. So
it is the height of summer produce.
Oh, okay.
It's sort of sad when you go to make a salad with great ingredients or a vegetable tray, and then you pull a old bottle of dressing out of the fridge to dress it with. Don't you think?
Nah, I'd rather just make my own.
You're saying the right things today, Eric. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to make our own salad dressing.
All right.
It is a green goddess dressing.
Oh, okay. Now, that's kind of a traditional dressing, isn't it, these days? I've heard of it.
Well, it was established, according to legend, in 1923 in San Francisco.
Oh, okay.
And it was in honor of a play. This play called Green Goddess.
Okay.
So, you know, those California things. So that's what happened.
Okay, cool.
So I'm going to let you put together the dressing.
Okay.
And I guess it would help to have something to chop it up with. It's the little blade. Aha.
Aha. Oh, that's what you were looking for.
We have a blade. That's
the handy part.
Yes. Okay. So we're going to start out with half a teaspoon of garlic. So that's like half of a garlic clove. So we'll throw that in. You've got, here you go. I'll let you put this in. A quarter cup of basil.
Okay.
And the beauty of a food processor is you don't have to chop anything, right?
That's right.
Put it in there. A half a cup of parsley.
Okay.
Which is so nice. And we want 3/4 of a teaspoon of tarragon.
Oh, okay.
So you can use this, or you could use mint. Now, if you're using fresh tarragon, which I couldn't find any, so that's why I'm using the dry.
Okay.
Yeah, use 3 times as much, right? Oh, that doesn't.
For the fresh.
For the fresh of the fresh, because the dried is more concentrated. Okay. Well, we might as well just go ahead and grind these up. In our food processor.
Okay.
So,
you going pulse or just go?
Yeah. There you go.
How fine is too fine?
Oh, you just want it to get smooth, so that is probably good.
Okay.
Okay, so this is a creamy dressing. So you can put a quarter cup of both mayonnaise and sour cream. Now you could substitute Greek yogurt for that.
Oh, okay.
If you wanted to. And let's see, 1/8 of a teaspoon, or like a pinch of salt.
Pinch salt.
Let's see. We want to put a little lemon juice. That's going to give
little lemon.
It's going to give it some, you know, tanginess. It'll be very nice.
All this or just a little bit?
So just a little bit. Let's see. It's 2 1/4 teaspoons.
Okay.
And I also have some anchovy paste that I'm going to put in this. 1/2 of a teaspoon.
Okay.
And that's, some people think that doesn't sound very appealing. What do you think about anchovy?
That should be fine. It has its purpose.
Okay. Well, you know, a Caesar salad has anchovy paste or anchovies in it.
Yeah.
So it is definitely used in salad dressings, and it just it gives it that umami flavor that we talk about. Okay, I think, did I put any pepper in there?
No pepper yet.
Okay, we'll put a little pepper, and then we can just blend this together.
Okay.
That's really pretty much it.
Okay.
So you could use this to dip, like I said, any of your fresh summer vegetables in. Celery, traditional celery. Sometimes if I have something different in the garden, most anything raw, any of your vegetables are pretty good raw if you have the right dressing, right? Or the right dip. So you could use broccoli's good.
Yeah.
Is it giving you problems?
No, I don't think so. I think it's just well mixed.
All right.
It might be a little below the blade.
Okay. maybe a little technical difficulty.
We'll slop it around in here. How's that? That's my solution.
Mix it manually.
A little manual.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit, and give it another pulse or so.
Coming together.
Yeah.
Okay, so you said your wife's birthday is coming up?
Yes.
So you could take this home for your
Oh, she'd love
party.
this. Yeah, she'd love this stuff.
It's very colorful. It looks nice.
All right. I think we have mixed the green.
Okay, so this makes less than or slightly over half of a cup.
Okay.
So we'll just put it right there in the middle. Yeah. I think you did well, Eric.
Well, I had an excellent teacher.
You know, I'm really good at green stuff.
Yeah.
Green stuff is my...
Got a green thumb. I'm sorry. Now that looks great, and it looks like a great little snack.
Yes.
A little hors d'oeuvre.
So yeah, just have around to snack on, and if you leave out the dip for a little while, it'll get thinner, and then you can dress your salad with it as well.
Oh, okay.
So just
cool.
for a little bit, because it's pretty cold right now.
All right. Well, that's pretty neat. It's something I'd like to try, and it would be great for a party.
Right, and great way to use those herbs.
All right. Well, thank you so much.
Well, you're welcome, Eric, and hey, tell your wife happy birthday, and enjoy the dip.
All right. Thank you so much. What are you doing that, Eddie? Yeah, it is good.
Yeah, that is good.